Okay, we have another mobile news app. It should be a short one, not too many screens. It has a dark and a light mode. No variables, unfortunately. I don't know what this is like. Workspace, let's see. So tiny design system. Enter. Color scheme, pretty boring to be honest. Let's see, some icons, some basic buttons, navigation. With all these UI 8 kits, I feel like they really need to work on their freaking contrasts, but that's just me. So let's dive in, have a quick look at the screens. I'm also loading them on my mobile device just to get a sense of, does this work, does this need some work? So yeah, contrast is kind of an issue. Buttons are a bit too big. You can already see here like the issues that I was mentioning with the contrast. Nothing like super bad, easy, fixable, I think. Can I do it really quick? I guess not. Is that weird? Wait, let me just increase it a little bit. Like even that, it's so much better, and it only took, one click. So again, with these kits, if they're done right, with all the components, all the layout, you can do a lot of great stuff. So there's some solid UX work, like you create an account, you select interests, and then you have your news kind of outlets. Yeah, the contrast seems to be a little bit of an issue. Also, like the spacing here. So you can see, they're more like junior designers who made this, because these are some like classic mistakes from designers. I'm not sure how. And again, you can see like the icons. This is the kind of stuff that you look at to see if, they're done by pros or not. Again, it's not a bad effort. Probably you could work with it if you had to, because again, it has like components and stuff, so you don't have to reinvent everything. It's pretty easy fixable, but at the same time, depends on your use case. So it's like a mid kit, could use it. But yeah, you can see like even at these kind of details, this is like just sloppy done. And again, you can see how many icon styles are combined and stuff. So like decent effort, but not quite there.